Today's DIY video is going to be all about transforming this mini coffee station with some items from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be working on the kitchen that's close to this coffee station and as well as the pantry door. But for now, I'm going to be starting off with just the coffee station. I'm going to be clearing out the items that are there to give me enough room to work around the space. I had ideas in my head to either paint the wall or use Dollar Tree peel and stick tiles or even a contact paper from the Dollar Tree. I saw this from the Dollar Tree and I realized I've never used it before. Now, it wouldn't really go well with my project because I'll have to add a lot of them together and it won't be as neat as I wanted. So I picked up the Dollar Tree peel and stick tile and I'm thinking, how about using the tiles all over the coffee station? And I mean the walls. The walls are not much, and I feel like I can cover them up with just Dollar Tree peel and stick tiles and it would look really unique. So what I'm gonna do now is spread them out and spray paint them all gold.
If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos.
Because I'm gonna be using paint on the other side of the kitchen, I decided to just paint the side of the wall, and then the peel and stick tiles from the Dollar Tree is going to be on the other side of the wall. Before applying the peel and stick, I had to clean the walls properly. I was on top of the fridge applying the peel and stick tiles from there because it was such a hassle moving the fridge to get to the back. Now these Dollar Tree peel and stick tiles are also going to be used as the backsplash. This is a coffee station, and unlike a regular kitchen area, those of you who are skeptical about using Dollar Tree peel and stick tiles in the kitchen, this side here is not going to be used as much, so you're safe with this option for areas like this in the kitchen. I forgot to mention that it is always important to peel it off from this point here. This will keep all four sides sealed. The middle of the cabinets are going to be covered with marble contact paper from Walmart. And I'll be using black contact paper around the edges. I took off the cabinet handles and spray painted them gold. This is a really good option if you want to save cost. So instead of buying brand new cabinet handles, you just spray paint the ones you have to the color of your choice. I love the way the handles look now because they're going to complement the gold that's on the wall. On the work surface, I'm going to be using black contact paper and marble contact paper to go over the cabinets. I want this coffee station to be the future wall in this area, so I needed to stand out on its own. So after applying the contact paper, I added Dollar Tree frames to my design. I'll be using the frames to beautify where the handles are. So right here you can see that on the drawer it looks beautiful, but on the cabinet doors it was going to be too wide. So I had to reduce it by cutting the frames to size. I'll be using a strong adhesive and hot glue too as well to put all the frames together. And I also cut little pieces from the picture frame as a link to make it easy to glue all the pieces together. I'll be using a strong adhesive and hot glue to attach the frames to the doors and the drawer. Another item from the Dollar Tree that I used is the Dollar Tree push lights, and these will be used to light up the space. There isn't much for this corner for now, but with time, it will have the coffee essentials. I'm going to be adding mini trays to the space for the flowers and other little items. I particularly like the way the Dollar Tree frames made the handles look more interesting. The other parts of the kitchen is going to be worked on, so this is just for now, and like I said, I would really want this area here to be like the focal point in the kitchen section. Here are some before and after clips. I know that where I worked on looks a little bit out of place, and that's because I'm still working on the other areas around the kitchen. I promise you that when it's done, it's gonna make a lot more sense when I upload the other videos that have the finished look of the overall space. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.